Aaron Carter, singer and brother of Backstreet Boys, Nick, passed away at age 34. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Singer and rapper Arron Carter passed away at age 34. He is the younger brother of Backstreet Boys Nick Carter. According to media reports, Carter was found unresponsive in a bar at his home in Lancaster, California on Saturday morning. A representative of his team later then confirmed his passing to reporters. It's reported that the Los Angeles County Police arrived at the scene at around 11 after receiving reports of a drowning. Carter started his career opening for the band Backstreet Boys on a number of tours and concerts, and also had a successful solo career. During the 90s, he sold millions of copies of his fourth album, the first of which was done when he was only 9 years old. His second album, Aaron's Party, Come Get It, was released in the year 2000 and went triple platinum. As he grew older, Carter transitioned into rap and also appeared in Broadway musicals and also US TV show Dancing with the Stars. He faced a number of struggles, checking into rehab several times and filing bankruptcy petition in 2013 over millions of debt, which was mostly tax related. He also had several run-ins with the authorities over drug possession and also reckless driving. Earlier this year, he told reporters that he wanted to no longer be seen as a train wreck. Carter's son Prince was born in 2021, and according to a Hollywood reporter, he checked into rehab earlier this year in a bid to gain custody of him. Following the announcement of Carter's passing, Prince's mom, Malene Martin, issued a statement saying that she is still trying to process of accepting this unfortunate reality. A number of high figures and social media influencers and also other persons of the music fraternity also took to social media just in order to express condolences to his family and friends. Links 007 TV will continue to track this and provide you with the latest information to comment this. Thanks for watching.